Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me walk you around this 2020 Mustang EcoBoost with 3,000 miles. That's right, 3,000 miles on this Velocity Blue with the Ebony interior Mustang Coupe. Cloth seats, dual power seats, remote start, has the big touchscreen, the Sync 3. Just super nice, clean car. Beautiful color. No accidents. I bought it off the original owner. Just didn't need it. That's why it's only got 3,000 miles on it. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Also, it comes with a balance of factory warranty. Yeah, car is beautiful. It looks like new. It drives like new. 3,000 miles on it. Seated Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Car's completely stock. No funny business. Guy just didn't need it. That's why he sold it to me.